Welcome to this special telecast on Rajya Sabha television, a function to bid farewell to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Mohammad Hamid Ansari, is underway at the moment. He is also Vice President of India. Today is his last day. Let's take a look and take a listen in to what's happening at the Parliament Library complex.
ठीक है। नीचे अवनी ऊपर अंबर बीच धरा के पवन हिलौरे खाती, सुप्त धरा के शांत करों से सौंधी गंध ये आती, पुष्प गंध में बसा हुआ है आज यहां का प्रांगण, अभिनंदन स्वीकार करें अभिनंदन। ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन श्री मोहम्मद हामिद अंसारी, ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर सर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी, ऑनरेबल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट श्री एम वेंकैया नायडू, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर लोकसभा श्रीमती सुमित्रा महाजन, ऑनरेबल डिप्टी चेयरमैन प्रोफेसर पीजे कुरियन, ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ द हाउस श्री अरुण जेटली, ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन श्री गुलाम नबी आजाद, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स श्री अनंत कुमार, ऑनरेबल डेप्यूटी स्पीकर लोकसभा डॉक्टर एम तंबिदुरै, आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू। अपनी परंपरा और इन पलों को जीवंत बनाए रखने के लिए आज हम भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति और राज्यसभा के सभापति श्री मोहम्मद हामिद अंसारी के कार्यकाल की समाप्ति के अवसर पर आपको विदाई देने के लिए एकत्र हुए हैं। माननीय श्री मोहम्मद हामिद अंसारी ने 11 अगस्त 2007 से 10 अगस्त 2012 तक भारत के 13वें उपराष्ट्रपति के रूप में और 11 अगस्त 2012 से आज 10 अगस्त 2017 तक देश के 14वें उपराष्ट्रपति के रूप में पदभार ग्रहण किया और इस तरह आप आज 10 वर्ष की अवधि समाप्त होने पर हमसे विदाई ले रहे हैं। को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और इस अवसर पर मैं आपका एक बार फिर से पुनः स्वागत करता हूं। अभिवादन शीलस्य नित्यं वृद्धोपसेविना चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुर्विद्या यशोबलम, यानी जो अपने वरिष्ठ जनों का सम्मान करते हैं उनकी आयु, विद्या, यश और बल में कीर्ति होती है, बढ़ोतरी होती है। इसी परंपरा का अनुसरण करते हुए कार्यक्रम का आरंभ करते हैं। सबसे पहले मैं माननीय उपसभापति प्रोफेसर पीजे कुरियन से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वे कृपया आज के इस समारोह में मंच पर विराजमान गणमान्य माननीयों का बुके देकर स्वागत करें। May I now request Honorable Deputy Chairman Professor P.J. Kurian to welcome our distinguished guests. First of all, Honorable Chairman Shri Mohammad Hamid Ansari. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Honorable Vice President-elect Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha Srimati Sumitra Mahajan, Honorable Leader of the House Shri Arun Jetli, Honorable Leader of Opposition Shri Gulam Nabi Azad, Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Shri Anant Kumar, and Honorable Deputy Speaker Lok Sabha Dr. M. Thambidurai. Sir, thank you very much. I would like to invite Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Shri Anant Kumar, to deliver his welcome speech. Shri Anant Kumar.
Honorable Vice President and Chairman Rajya Sabha, Shri Mohammad Hamid Ansari Sahab, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, Vice President-elect Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji, Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha Srimati Sumitra Mahajan ji, Honorable Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha Professor P.J. Kurian ji, Honorable Deputy Speaker Shri M. Tambidurai ji, Leader of the House Rajya Sabha Shri Arun Jaitley ji, Leader of the Opposition Rajya Sabha Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad ji, my colleagues from the Council of Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor to welcome you all this evening to this function which has been organized in honor of Shri Mohammad Hamid Ansari ji, who is demitting the august office of Honorable Vice President of India and Chairman Rajya Sabha. Sir, as we bid farewell to you, I am privileged to express on behalf of all of us present here and on my own behalf our deep respect and regards to you for discharging with distinction the responsibility as the country's Vice President and Chairman of Rajya Sabha for 10 long years. Sir, we all are aware that due to your meaningful contributions towards strengthening parliamentary democracy, you have had the honor of occupying this august office for 2 consecutive terms. When you assumed this august office exactly a decade ago, I recall what you had said then in the House, quote, "The majority to my right and the minority to left both play an equal part," unquote, towards making parliamentary democracy a success. This reflects your deep sense of fairness as Honorable Chairman, and we all have seen this in abundance. Sir, under your guidance, the Rajya Sabha has made significant contributions to enrich our democratic polity. Many procedural innovations and initiatives like shifting of question hour from 11 hours to 12 noon, and so as to early release the heat and steam of the 0 hour before the question hour so as to protect the rights of the honorable members raising questions. Sir, increasing the working hours, which earlier were 11 hours to 17 hours, to identical working hours, that is 11 to 18 hours, sending a clear signal that Elders House is equally energetic and eager to work. On the pattern of Lok Sabha, resulted in remarkable escalation of productivity of the House and bear the stamp of your vision and outlook. In your role as Honorable Chairman, sir, you have always remained sensitive and alive to the issues of disruption of proceedings and the need to maintain the dignity and decorum of the House. You always urged the members to make the fullest possible use of the parliamentary procedures available under the rules and procedure to articulate their views. Your words of wisdom from the chair will remind all of us our constitutional responsibility. Sir, your steadfast commitment to make our parliamentary institutions a strong bulwark against disorder and disruption has received all-round appreciation. Sir, you have been a distinguished diplomat, an educationist, an acclaimed author, among many other accomplishments. To this now added another distinction as the country's Vice President and Chairman of Rajya Sabha. As you demit this august office, you will certainly feel nostalgic about your association with Parliament and its moments of highs and lows that you have had witnessed. On our part, I would like to mention that we will always cherish our association with you. Sir, I as Parliamentary Affairs Minister will miss your sage guidance on matters relating to the functioning of the House. I wish you sound health and long life in the service of this great nation and its beautiful people. Once again, sir, I am happy to extend a hearty welcome to all those present here with this evening. Thank you. Jai Hind.